Hello guys, welcome to my channel the wsl2 hacker. Today I'm gonna show you how to install Kali Linux in Windows as Linux subsystem. This Windows has launched its new feature as Windows Subsystem 2 this update in 2020. Yes. So we can directly install Kali Linux in our Windows. So we don't need actual VirtualBox or any other virtualization software. So before getting into the tutorial, please don't forget to subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon. Okay, now to download and install Kali Linux in Windows 10 directly, just need to enable a feature. Let's go to source and search for turn Windows feature on and off. Okay, after that just select it. So in this window you will need to enable this of just tick the option this Windows subsystem for Linux. So it is the most important process in this tutorial. Rest of the tutorial is pretty easy. Just you need to select it, take it. Okay, after that just click OK. It asks for you to restart. As I have already done it, so no need for me to restart it again. So just restart the computer, and after restart just go to your Microsoft Store. Okay, just log in if you haven't logged in it. Just log in. Okay, after you have successfully logged it in, just search for Kali Linux. Okay. So okay, after searching and this Windows will appear. Just click on install it. Just click on install. It will take some time to install. Just wait for installation to complete. So it's pretty easy steps after you have enabled Windows Linux subsystem from that feature one. Just wait for the download and install process to complete. It will take some time. Okay, the download process is completed. After this, just click on launch button. Okay, it will start installing Kali. Yes, it will take some time. Just wait for the installation process to complete. Okay, after the installation is complete, it will ask you to set a username. Okay, just give a username. Okay, I'll just name it as username. That has password. Let's install the password. Okay, we have successfully installed Kali Linux in our Windows as a secondary system or Linux subsystem. It was pretty easy to download and install Kali. This Kali is just terminal based, not GUI based. So you can just use BNC viewer or any other software to use it as GUI based also. No any software are pre-installed, so you'll need to install all the hacking tools and software yourself. This was for today. Thanks for watching the video. Please don't forget to subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon.